So I got in an old Dexter Russell butcher knife. This is an old school butcher knife. I'm going to clean it up a little bit on the Scotch-Brite radial wheels, and then I'm going to fix the tip on it using the Harbor Freight 1x30, and then I'm going to sharpen it using the AMK 75.
Well, the moon just kissed the sun goodnight. The jukebox on the wind. There's a man out on the highway trying his best to understand. Feeling just like Luke the Drifter, a whiskey bottle in his hand. Well, his heart just went behind a cloud, looked like he went again. Tonight can be roses, tonight can be blue, yeah. But tonight I'm low and lonesome as a Hank Williams moon, Hank Williams moon. Well, I saw the light come rising, prepared and faded too, and all this windy sorrow cast a spell on you. Those tears start falling, just like the bound to do. When you're caught between a cocoa heart and a Hank Williams moon. Tonight can be roses, tonight can be blue, yeah. But tonight I'm low and lonesome as a Hank Williams moon, Hank Williams moon. There's a train out in the distance, trying to call the rambling man. I can hear that whistle.
So it took me less than 5 minutes to sharpen this old butcher knife, and it's a great old knife. There's nothing wrong with these Dexter Russell knives. So they're ready to go back to the client. Put them in their little sleeve, and there we go.